In front of me is Fairphone 5 and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by launching clock and tapping on alarm at the bottom left corner. Then use this plus to create a new one. Set up an hour and hit OK. Now hit add label and name it. Select OK. Pick days of the week. And to exclude some specific dates, use this plus next to pause alarm. Now you need to pick your dates and hit OK to save them or remove button to get rid of them. Following that, click on bell icon. Sorry, misclick. Select one of those sound sources to download or hit dismiss. To use one of them, click on it at the top and log in to use music from it. If you don't want to do that, hit sounds, tap on add new and pick any song from your smartphone to set it up. If you don't want to do that too, go back and click on one of those melodies. Now use those two icons next to Vibrate and Google Assistant routine to enable or disable haptic feedback for this alarm. And also add or remove your alarm from your routine. When you finished, click on this icon at the top right corner to hide all of those settings. To disable or enable your alarm, use this switcher. And to get rid of it, click at the top right corner and then bottom left one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!